Hi, everyone. Let's learn English with me by listening and speaking through the stories of Roganda, becoming a robotics expert. Roganda loved building things. He spent hours putting together Lego sets and taking apart old toys. One day, his parents bought him a robotics kit. Roganda was so excited. He spent hours poring over the instructions, trying to understand how all the pieces fit together. After a lot of trial and error, Roganda finally built his first robot. He named it Robbie. Robbie could move its arms and legs, and it even had a tiny light in its head. Roganda was so proud of himself. Roganda kept building more and more robots. He learned how to program them to do different things. He taught Robbie to dance, to play fetch, and even to solve simple puzzles. Roganda's robots became famous in his neighborhood. Everyone wanted to see them perform. One day, Roganda entered a robotics competition. His robot, a giant, friendly robot named Robo-Buddy, won first place. Roganda was so happy. He knew he wanted to be a robotics engineer when he grew up. Roganda's robots helped him learn about science, technology, engineering, and math. He was always coming up with new ideas for his creations, and he knew that his robots would help him achieve his dreams. All right, that's the story about Roganda becoming a robotics expert. Now, time for question and answer. Question 1. What did Roganda love to do? Answer. Roganda loved building things, especially Lego sets and taking apart old toys. Question 2. What was Roganda's first robot named? Answer. Roganda's first robot was named Robbie. Question 3. What did Roganda want to be when he grew up? Answer. Roganda wanted to be a robotics engineer. Great job! Congratulations on our English lesson today. Keep up the good work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.